Let's attempt to make homemade peeps. We're starting with a cup of sugar in a plastic bag, and we are going to add in some yellow gel food coloring. Mix it all up, and I'm pretty sure this is going to take a while. Alright, I would say that's pretty yellow. Next step, we gotta actually make some marshmallow, which I've never done before, so here we go. In our bowl here, we have just a 1/3 cup of cold water, and we are adding in a packet of gelatin. And we're just gonna let this sit for a second while we do the next step. We have a cup of sugar in here already, and we're going to add a 1/4 cup of water. We have that on medium heat. We're gonna give it a mix to get it all combined. To be honest, I don't know what this is supposed to look like. Clearly, I don't know what I'm doing. So I have this handy candy thermometer that I quite literally just bought the other day at Target, and we are going to heat this over medium heat to 238 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the softball stage of sugar, I guess. I don't know. It's very possible that I have too big of a pot. I switched that sugar water mixture into a smaller pot. Hopefully the slight time delay and just moving the mixture around did not completely ruin the process. We're approaching slowly. We're almost at 238, which is the softball stage. So once we get there, we're going to take this off the heat. We're going to add it into the bowl with the gelatin and then get to mixing. All right, it's off the heat. We're adding it into our gelatin. Now, after we give this a little mix by hand, we're going to grab I say we, it's just me. I'm going to grab my handheld mixer with the whisk attachment, and we're going to mix for 8 to 9 minutes, so buckle up. That would have been a lot easier if I had a stand mixer, which I don't, but it does look like marshmallow. I am notoriously not good at decorating cakes and stuff and piping things, so I don't have high hopes for making these look like Peeps, but we're gonna try. I don't even have words. This is so bad, but these do not look like birds. This is such a joke. Can we chill for a second? Okay. So sorry to anyone who's watching this. So these are monstrosities. Okay, I have just some chocolate syrup, and I'm going to use that and a toothpick to attempt to put little eyes on these monstrosity of little birds. Excuse me, sit up straight please. Kind of looks like a bird actually, as I'm looking at him. Here we go. Okay. This is the meme where it's you versus the guy she told you not to worry about. You understand that this is supposed to be this, it's just a little wonky. Would I recommend doing this? I don't know, it's definitely easier to go buy these, but this was a fun little experiment. You better make sure you peep our social media pages on Friday, because I'm going to have my coworkers do a blind taste test, because my god, you would be able to tell the difference by looking at them, but a blind taste test of mine versus the real deal, and we'll see what comes out on top. So yeah, bye.